How to do procurement spend analysis using Sankey chart in Excel. Create chart from selection. Select the Sankey chart. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Sankey chart is successfully created. Sankey chart data requirements. You need between 2 and 15 columns of categorical data to create a Sankey chart. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need 1 column of numerical data to create a Sankey chart. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. Important: Sankey chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Node Properties pen to change the color of the node for the 3rd level. Click on the Apply button. Change the color of all nodes. Click on the Sort Properties to change the sort order, descending, of this level. Click on the Node Properties pen to set the current node mark as drop-off node. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Node Properties pen to change the color direction of the current node link. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Save Changes button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export Chart button to export chart in SVG, PDF, PNG, or JPG. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to install ChartExpo add-in. Click on the Add-ins button. Install ChartExpo add-in. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-in is software that adds new features into Microsoft Excel and Office 365. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-in is installed, it should display in My Add-ins box. Click on the ChartExpo add-in to select it. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.